Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to accept legacy contact on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And it says right here, go to settings, then tap your name, and then tap sign in security, and then tap legacy contact, then tap add legacy contact. You might be asked to authenticate with a facial recognition or touch ID or your device passcode. So in my case, I'm going to just go ahead into my screen, go ahead to my settings. It says right here, sign in security, tap sign in security, right? I'm gonna click my name right here at the top, sign in security, right? And they might ask for my facial recognition basically, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out for a few moments right here, right? And I'm gonna see this is my name and everything. Go ahead to the legacy contact, you're gonna find it right here, and just go ahead and add the legacy contact and follow along with the on-screen restriction or on-screen instructions. Alright, let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.